Hey there, green thumbs and indoor gardeners. Welcome to our deep dive into the world of grow tents. Today, we're zeroing in on a game changer for your indoor garden, finding the best dehumidifier for your grow tent. You know, keeping the right humidity level is more than crucial. It's a make or break for your lush, leafy friends. Too damp, and you're in a world of mold and plant stress. Too dry, and your plants might as well be in a desert. But hey, no stress. We're about to walk through some of the best picks out there, tailored for every budget and tent size. Whether you've got a mini jungle or a modest herb corner, we've got the perfect humidity solution for you. So let's roll up our sleeves and help you create that perfect plant-friendly oasis. Let's talk about why a good dehumidifier is a game changer in your grow tent. Imagine this, your plants are thriving, but the air is getting a bit too damp. That's where things can go south. High humidity is a paradise for mold and a headache for plants, causing stress and poor growth. Now, here's where a dehumidifier comes in. It's like a guardian keeping the air just right, not too dry, not too wet. This balance is crucial for healthy plants and avoiding those nasty issues like mold. So picking the right dehumidifier is not just a choice. It's a must for any serious indoor gardener. Stick around and I'll show you the best picks for your grow tent. Let's not forget to mention that we took all the data from the in-depth guide on www.comfortonviro.com. So if you want to know everything about dehumidifiers, air purifiers, and humidifiers, go and visit our site to learn more. Let's start with the best overall choice, the Midea dehumidifier. Perfect for medium-sized grow tents, this dehumidifier is a real powerhouse, pulling up to 20 pints of moisture per day. It's compact, so it fits nicely without taking up too much space. Here's a real plus. The Midea is all about energy efficiency. It's Energy Star certified, so you're keeping those humidity levels just right without sending your energy bills through the roof. And guess what? It's got a 12-liter tank too, which means you're not constantly running to empty it. Less hassle for you, more time enjoying your thriving plants. Smart features include a built-in humidistat for automatic humidity adjustments and an auto shut-off function for safety. While it's slightly larger for smaller tents and doesn't have a filter, its performance, energy efficiency, and user-friendly features make the Midea the top choice for growers who want reliability and efficiency in their grow tent environment. Now, let's talk about the best budget pick, the SenzTronics Dehumidifier. Just because you're watching your wallet doesn't mean you have to compromise on quality for your grow tent. The SenzTronics stands out for its affordability, but that's not all. It's capable of dehumidify 2 pints per day, making it a robust choice for 3x3 tents. Plus, with a 3-liter water tank, it strikes a good balance between capacity and not having to constantly empty it. But here's the real deal. It's straightforward and effective. No complicated settings, just a dehumidifier that gets the job done. It comes with an auto shut-off feature for safety, which is a nice touch for a budget model. Sure, it lacks a filter and might be a bit bulky for, smaller spaces, but when it comes to value for money, the SenzTronics Dehumidifier is hard to beat. It's the ideal choice for growers who need efficiency without breaking the bank. For those of you with larger grow tents, meet your match, the GE Dehumidifier. This isn't just any dehumidifier. It's a titan for the larger green spaces where controlling humidity is key. Why does the GA stand out for large tents? Let's dive in. Capacity-wise, it's a beast capable of handling up to 50 pints per day. This means it effortlessly maintains the right moisture levels in spacious tents, keeping your plants in that happy humidity zone. Efficiency is another big plus. The GE is designed to work hard without being hard on your wallet. It's energy efficient, so you're not spending a fortune on power while keeping your plants healthy. And the features, they're top notch. It comes with a sizable 7-liter water tank, reducing the hassle of frequent emptying. Plus, it's got smart connectivity, meaning you can monitor and adjust settings right from your phone. Talk about convenience. Sure, it's a bit hefty, but for large-scale growers, the GE is the ultimate solution. It's the reliable, high-capacity dehumidifier that turns your large grow tent into the perfect environment for thriving plants. Let's continue. If you're looking for a budget-friendly dehumidifier for your large grow tent, then the HUMSURE dehumidifier is the answer. It's a powerhouse that doesn't break the bank, capable of managing up to 70 pints per day, making it ideal for those expansive green spaces. This dehumidifier strikes a perfect balance between cost and efficiency. It comes equipped with a 5-liter water tank, reducing the hassle of frequent emptying, and with auto shut-off and auto restart features, it offers the convenience you need in your daily gardening. While it may lack some advanced features of higher-end models, the HUMSURE excels in what it's designed to do, maintaining the right humidity in large tents at an affordable price. It's the smart choice for growers who want effective humidity control without stretching their budget. Okay, now we're going to a different type of dehumidifier, Desiccant dehumidifiers with silica gel. When it comes to these types of dehumidifiers, the Eva-Dry is a standout, especially for those coolers grow tent environments. What makes it special? It uses moisture absorbing materials, which means it operates quietly and efficiently even in lower temperatures. Let's talk about what this dehumidifier brings to your grow tent. First, its moisture removal is top notch, handling up to 15 pints daily. This is perfect for keeping your grow tent's humidity just right. But it's not just about dehumidifying. The Eva-Dry also cares for your air quality. It's equipped with an ionizer and an antibacterial filter, so it's working double duty to keep your air clean and your plants healthy. Despite being a bit pricier and having a smaller tank, its compact design is a big plus. It fits easily in various spaces, making it a great choice even if you're tight on space. And the quiet operation, that's the cherry on top. It does its job without making a fuss, keeping your indoor garden peaceful. Yeah, so if you're dealing with cooler conditions and need a reliable dehumidifier, the Eva-Dry is your go-to. It's a little investment for a lot of peace of mind in your grow tent. And there you have it, folks. Rundown of some of the best dehumidifiers out there for your grow tent. Choosing the right one is key to maintaining that perfect environment for your plants to thrive. It's about finding that sweet spot of humidity control that suits your space and your green pals. Remember, every grow tent has its own needs, so consider what's best for your setup. Whether it's budget size or specific features, the right choice can make all the difference. If you're keen on exploring more and diving deeper into these options, head over to comfortandvero.com. We've got a wealth of information that can help guide your decision. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe for more insights like this. Your feedback and support drive us to share more tips and tricks for your gardening adventures. Until next time, happy gardening.